Hey everyone, Rich here from Earthwise Packaging, and today we're looking at our USA-made 38mm screw top vials with a foil seal from CoolJarz. Our screw top vials are airtight, watertight, odor-free, and keeps your products fresh. They're also UV resistant, BPA-free using FDA-certified food-grade polypropylene, making them 100% recyclable. What makes these foil seal vials so unique is the included black cap and foil seal. Paired with our F15 sealing machine, you have a tamper-evident vial that locks in freshness for your product. The F15 sealer is so easy to use. Dial in the recommended specs on the front of the machine, press the button, and within 1 to 3 seconds, you're fully sealed and tamper-evident. Nothing like taking your packaging to the next level. The 38mm variety is available in 2 different heights, including our 5 dram that measures 1.52 inches wide and 1.08 inches high, and a capacity of 1 gram or 1.22 cubic inches. Our 13 dram that measures the same 1.52 inches wide but 2.8 inches high has a capacity of 2 grams or 3.17 cubic inches. Our 38mm screw top jars are available in several translucent colors, including clear and green in the 5 dram, and clear, green, purple, and smoke in the 13 dram. If you need a specific color, custom colors are available with a minimum order quantity. Our current lineup at CoolJarz has 3 different widths, including 38mm, 43mm, and 53mm, and 7 different sizes ranging from 5 dram up to 30 dram. But if this doesn't suit your needs, jump over to earthwisepackaging.com. I'll have a link down in the video description where we have 9 different widths and over 120 different sizes overall. Our screw top vials come in 2 different variations. The THDS that comes with a gold cap and has a side seal built into the cap and gives a very satisfying seal to the jar. And finally, the THDFS that comes with a black cap and a foil seal. All of our products are available down to single box quantities up to 1 pallet or even 1 truckload. We have various pricing tiers that give great discounts if you buy in bulk, but still budget friendly for those homegrown operations. Since we are the manufacturer and make them 100% in the US, you'll never have to wait for that slow boat crossing the ocean again. We also have available clear, tamper-evident shrink sleeves, as well as custom branded shrink sleeves to set your brand apart. You can even automate your company with our first-to-market SST shrink labeling system, turning your business from garage-born into commercial-ready. For more information, we have handy links in our video description straight to our all-new website. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Till next time, my name is Rich. Thanks for watching.